So once again, my World War II era America's Cookbook from New York Herald Tribune Home Institute. The third edition from 1944 with a wartime supplement. We're not cooking from the wartime supplement today. I'm picking recipes based on what I have on hand because I'm trying to avoid going to the grocery store. My youngest child graduates college in a week and is moving back home, which includes their entire kitchen, which means I can't have so much stuff in my pantry. So I chose for dinner tonight the potato soup. It's 8 medium-sized potatoes, 2 medium-sized onions minced, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 3 cups of potato water, 1 egg slightly beaten, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and chopped parsley. Once again, I still do not have chopped parsley because something is eating it all out of my garden. All I have are stems. Peel and dice potatoes and cook in warm water to cover until tender. Drain and reserve 3 cups of liquid. Force potatoes through ricer or sieve. I decided on an immersion blender instead. I'm still a little traumatized from using both of those for making various cheesecakes. Saute onion in butter until lightly browned. Season with salt and pepper. Add with riced potatoes to reserve potato water, then add egg, cream, and nutmeg mixture and heat 3 minutes, stirring constantly. Serve hot, garnish with chopped parsley. Approximate yield 6 large portions. So I started by melting some butter in a pan and then adding the onion. Actually, yes, before the butter was fully melted. That's fine. It eventually melted, and proceeded to brown the onions while the potatoes were cooking. And the recipe didn't say to do this, but I took a 1/2 cup of that potato water and deglazed the pan I'd sauteed the onion in. I really didn't want to let any of that flavor go to waste. And after draining the potatoes, I poured the potato water back in and put the potatoes in there. And I used this immersion blender because, as I said earlier, I did not want to deal with the potato ricer right now. This is supposed to be a nice, quick, and easy dinner. And with the immersion blender, it was. Then I added the browned onions. Aren't those beautiful? And then I added the salt and pepper. And then I added the cream. Once the cream was thoroughly mixed in, I added in the beaten egg and mixed it in until I couldn't see the yellow anymore. And then the 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and mix that and then just let it simmer for a little bit. And the final bowl of soup. I'm sure it would have been prettier if I'd had some parsley, but I don't. It was a very good soup, but I'm not used to having the texture of the onion in my potato soup.